Ano sabi ng classmate mo?
He said, tomorrow, he said, come on, Lucas. Let's go at our party. We're having so much fun. Hurry up, get ready to grass. A bees.
Hmm?
A bee, get ready to grass, Lucas. He sent me a message at our house.
Talaga?
Yeah. He said, come on, Lucas. Ready to close? Yeah. Because my mom just going to my party. She saw me at my party. Because I sent me message.
Wow. Yung nagyaya ba sa'yo ng party, friends mo ba yon? Friends mo?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano ba yon? Boy o girl?
Boys and girls are lining up.
Hindi. Sino yung may birthday? Boy ba o girl? Sino yung nagyaya sa'yo ng friends?
What the friends?
Ah,
Madam friends.
madaming friends. Ah, okay.
Because it sent me a message. Come on, Lucas. Ready to grass? Our party hat? And then talk by me?
Hmm?
Yeah, he sent me a message. He said, come on, Lucas. He said me. Yeah.
Yung ba yung sinabi sa'yo? Come on, Lucas.
Yeah. he
O,
said me that.
paano yung pagkakaimbita sa'yo sa ano niya, birthday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, tonight, we're having a party.
Having a party.
Yeah,
Ang bilis naman ng
tomorrow.
having a party niya.
Tomorrow, we're having a party tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Nagpaalam ka ba sa akin o kay mami?
Yeah, I did. Because you just said, you just caught me in a classic and you said me in school. And I just see mommy. Because I just love the school. Because my grandmother is waiting for me for my party.
Wow.
You said me in the school.
Hmm. Ano din kinikwento mo kanina? Bago daw kayo umuwi. Sabi niya kinikwento ka raw kay mami.
Because you guys want to celebrate me who is home. So this message, you just
Ano?
tell me something.
Ano yung sinasabi mo kay mami?
Because you just said me, my mom said me tomorrow we're having a night party.
Night party?
Yeah, my party is so nice. You bring me to Lolo Obet house. I love Lolo Obet and I just hug Lolo Obet. I love Lolo Obet because it's my Lolo. I love Lolo Obet. It's got a grass. in
Did
it.
you miss Lolo Obet?
Yeah, meet her. Because bring me a gift, a tablet.
Wow. Ano pa yung gift sa'yo ni Lolo Obet?
Because my mom said me, they have a toy and a quack.
Yan, dami pala binibigay si Lolo Obet. Ano sasabihin mo kay Lolo Obet kapag
Thank you po.
Ah,
Oh, wait, I'm gonna hug you. Because Lolo Obet is kind. It's a good Lolo.
good Lolo. Wow, very good. Papasok ko to kay Lolo Obet, ah.
Also, I call my friends. MM and Wyden and Cart and Mybek and Adriana saka si
Sino pa? Basta marami kang friends.
si Adriana saka si MM saka si Queer Cart saka si Yana saka si Mami saka si ikaw saka sa ako saka si Beben saka my friend Luko.
Ah, o nga pala. Tatanong ni Papa kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa school.
We just having so much fun and I said, "Holy,
Ano yun?
stop screaming! I'm not a toy, huh? I'm not a teacher. My teacher just sent me a message to our home because he said, come on, Lucas, we're having a party," said our teacher said. Because we're having a party tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah, I love a party. My party is be nice and kind. My
Wow.
teacher is kind too. All my friends are kind too. We visit that to my friend's house, to meet my bahay.
Ah,
Because my ate is an ate baby, saka si ate is cooking a cake to me. They're having a party tonight at my house.
yun lang yan?
Yeah. You're done? Yeah.
You're done? Yun lang ba yung sasabihin mo?
Yeah. Yeah. Bye bye. See you later.